In this video, I'll fix why your PayPal is not receiving money with this troubleshooting guide. If your PayPal account isn't getting payments, follow these steps carefully to resolve the issue. First, log into your PayPal account. Once you're logged in, click on the Settings option in the top right corner. This will take you to your account settings page where important payment options are located. From the Settings page, go to Seller Tools. Scroll down a little until you find Payment Receiving Preferences, then click on the Update option next to it. This section controls how PayPal handles incoming payments. Here, you'll see a few important options. For the first one, select the option that says, Yes, accept and convert them to USD. This setting allows you to receive money from international senders by automatically converting their currency, which often fixes receiving issues. Next, look for the option that says, Allow multiple payments per invoice ID. Make sure this option is set to No. This setting is important if you're receiving payments from platforms that send funds directly to your PayPal account, as it prevents payment conflicts. After updating these options, save your changes. If the problem is still not fixed, there are a few more things you need to check. Go back to your PayPal dashboard and click on the option at the top. Then open the business menu and select Identity Verification. Here, you'll see two options. One option is for receiving international payments only, and the other is for receiving both local and international payments. If you're having issues with international payments, select the option to complete KYC. To complete KYC, you'll need to fill in details such as your personal information, purpose code, and bank details. Start by entering your personal information, follow the on-screen instructions, and submit the required details. Next, choose a purpose code that best explains why you're receiving payments. This step is especially important for international transactions, as PayPal uses it to verify the nature of your payments. If you want to receive both local and international payments, select the second option and complete the verification process. This may include uploading proof of identity, proof of address, and proof of bank account. The process is similar, and you just need to follow the instructions carefully. Once all required information and documents are submitted, PayPal will review your account. After verification is complete, your PayPal account should be able to receive payments without any issues.